Hi, do you want to find hidden money in your company that you didn't even know you were eligible for? Money that you could use to grow your company, invest in infrastructure, and scale? Well, we help software, manufacturing, and engineering companies find tax credits, which they can often use immediately, regardless of whether the company is currently profitable or not. Over 400,000 companies are eligible to claim tax credits annually, but only 75,000 actually claim them. That means there's an 80% chance that you're leaving money on the table. My name is Stephen Epstein. I'm the founder of Tax Credit Experts. I'm not an accountant or a lawyer, and I'm not giving you tax or legal advice. I just want to share with you what I've done to legally and ethically find money for myself and my companies. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick little backstory about me. I, like you, am an entrepreneur. I've founded or acquired 7 different companies over the past 13 years in industries from publishing to healthcare to manufacturing and private equity. 1 or 2 of these companies have been total busts like anyone, but fortunately most of these companies have been successful. But I've had to learn everything from marketing to operations to finance to tax, and frankly, I've gotten very good at the tax side. Today, I work with private equity firms, successful CEOs, tech startups, software companies to help them identify sources of government grants, subsidies, rebates, and tax credits, which frankly, they didn't even know existed. But it was not always this way. There was a time when I knew nothing about tax credits, and today I'm very grateful that I do. And I'm grateful that my accountant came to me and said, "Hey, have you ever heard of different tax credits and things that you could do for your company?" Of course, I said no. The rest is history. Now I know all about it, and we've fully utilized them in our businesses, and we've helped our friends do the same. Once I started finding 6-figure checks for myself and my friends, obviously I was hooked. Today, I spend about half my time doing M&A work for a company named Healthcare Business Resources, which we're actually currently taking public. And the other half of my time I spend helping people like yourselves, business owners, recover tax credits and money inside their business. Frankly, it's just too much fun, and it's just too lucrative for me to stop doing it, even though my team can actually handle it all for me, as they remind me. But because I'm busy, and I know you're busy, we've developed a process called the tax credit identification process, which is very fast and actually very painless. It helps us quickly determine whether or not you're eligible for these tax credits and if you could claim potentially significant sums of money. All while, very importantly, staying well within the IRS guidelines and the boundaries of what's ethical. We don't cross the line or even want to operate in the gray area when we're doing tax credit analysis for you. After all, there's plenty of legitimate sources of credits and money out there which you can recover. Our tax credit identification process has helped owners identify money that they can use to, again, reinvest in their business, improve their platform, or take their company to the next level. You're probably working very hard to prepare your company either for massive growth or some sort of exit. But frankly, you need every edge you can. And if you do your part and turn around what we need without making us wait for it, we can generally find you money in about 4 months. And we do this obviously fully on contingency, meaning we only get paid when you get paid. We look for all kinds of payroll credits and state and local incentives that you most certainly and your CPA don't know exist. Tax credits and government incentives are one of the most effective ways that large companies like Amazon or Tesla have financed their growth and their success. Getting a windfall of money can really turbocharge your success. But companies doing from $1 million a year to $50 million a year in revenue generally get left behind in all of this, as do startups, of course. So if you're based in the United States, you spend a couple $100,000 or more a year on software or engineering or manufacturing process improvement work, and you spend some money or some payroll on onshore, very important, onshore consultants or employees, there's a good chance that you qualify. So schedule a call with us today. Takes about 15 minutes to determine whether you're a good fit. Hopefully, you're one of the lucky ones that qualifies, and we can all make some money together. We look forward to speaking with you.